Hey Facebook, how you guys doing today? Now, here's my update video. So we got 2 coats on, second coat's already dry. And basically, let's take a look at what it looks like. It's more or less gonna be the finished product. You can turn this thing around. Okay. I'll take you guys in this way. Kick off my shoes. The living room. It's got a second layer on there. Thing looks really, really good. Got Rudy over here adding a couple of reducers for the customer. Wow, look at that. You'll always be able to see the difference between old wood right here and new wood. Of course, we did our best to blend in the colors, but you know, again, 100-year-old wood right here, wood that's probably like less than a month old. Let's take a look at the hallway. Got the hallway right here. Let's check out this other room. Wow, really, really beautiful. This room. Leading to the bathroom. It's the closet where we did a couple of different repairs in here. As you can see, looks great. Oh, we got another. Got Cruz over here putting a reducer. That last room right here. I mean, everything looks great. Thing pops like no tomorrow. You can see this area, this is the older wood, so it had bevels and stuff like that. Walnut pegs. New installation, new wood. Everything looks great. Homeowner's super, super happy. So they're about to put on the last coat, but this is pretty much the finished product. So everybody have a great day. Got another happy customer. Take care, everybody.